This is one of our student-run restaurants. This particular class is called Applied Kitchen Skills, which we've nicknamed the Viking Café. These are all students that are in our programs, whether it's culinary arts or pastry arts, and they're doing their very best to prepare a gourmet meal for you with recipes this semester such as meatloaf cupcakes using Mangalista pork, certified Angus beef burgers, and many more to choose from, including our vodka beer battered fish, an end your meal with some milk chocolate creme brulee, or our pastry chef's special of the night. So we're open this semester Monday evenings. You can come in anytime between 6:15 and 7 o'clock, purchase your tickets in advance, and for the price you would normally pay for just an entree, probably even less than most entrees in the area, you're gonna get at least a 3-course meal, appetizer, entree, dessert. We always post our availability and menus on our website, so check it out because it changes every semester, and join us for 1, 2, 3 meals. Tell your friends and family, but get your tickets first, because once they're sold out, you're gonna have to wait until next week or next semester to come join us.